So you just bought yourself the Canon PowerShot V10 and you would like to use it as a high quality webcam for your Discord, but you don't know how to do that. Well, not to worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy guide of how you can set up your Canon V10 to use it as a webcam for your Discord. So stay tuned and let's have a look at it. So one thing you need is this cable over here. This cable comes with the Canon V10 in the box. So as you can see, this cable has Type-C connector on both sides. And this cable is UAC and UVC compatible. So what that means is that you will be able to stream audio and video through this cable. So without this cable, you will not be able to use your Canon V10 as a webcam. So please make sure that you do use this cable and not your ordinary Type-C cables. So the next thing you would want to do is to make sure that your Canon has got the correct settings to be able to stream as a webcam. So what you would want to do is to press the menu button over here, and then you go to your spanner in the top right corner, and then you select option 3. And now you'll see that you have here choose USB connection app. So then you select that, and then you make sure that you have selected video calls or streaming and not photo import. Otherwise you will not be able to use this Canon V10 as a webcam. So make sure that you have selected video calls and streaming. Once you've done that, you're all set to go to connect your Canon V10 to your laptop. Now I'm going to be using a MacBook for this example, so please stay tuned to see how you need to set up your MacBook to ensure that you are able to use it as a webcam. So before I move on, if you are still here and you enjoy this video, please consider dropping me a like or a subscribe and click the notification button to get notified whenever I drop a new video. So let's continue. So the next thing you would want to do is to come to your system settings, then go over to privacy and security. This is just something I like to check. So I'll come over to my camera setting over here, and then for allow the applications below to access your camera, I just make sure that my Discord is toggled on. The next thing that I like to have set is here allow accessories to connect, and I have the set as ask every time, just to make sure that I have connected to my MacBook. So what will happen then, if I now connect my Canon V10, you will see a little pop-up message that says allow accessory to connect, and then I will just say allow. This is just something I like to do to make sure, once again, that my accessory is connected, and in this case my Canon V10. So now all you have to do now is to go into your Discord, and then you come over here to your user setting, this little cogwheel over here. You then scroll down to voice and video, and then you scroll down to video settings, and you'll see that I have my Canon digital camera selected over here. If it's not selected, you just click on this drop down box here, and you'll see you have all of these options available to you depending on what you have connected to your MacBook. So then what I like to do is to select Canon digital camera, and then just for safety's sake, before I continue with anything else, I click on this little option over here, this little box over here that says test video. And once I have that selected, you can see all my pens over there and my Xbox. So this shows you that the Canon V10 feed is picked up by Discord. And there you have it. You have now successfully connected your Canon V10 to your Discord, and you can safely use it as a webcam. If this worked for you, please let me know down in the comment box. If not, also let me know if it didn't work for you, so that we can maybe sort it out together or figure it out together. And then lastly, once again, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel, and also hit that notification button to stay tuned whenever I drop a video like this. And I thank you.